Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting Scratch program for you. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now for more fun videos on Scratch. Let's begin. I will quickly show you the output. Let's play the program using this green flag button. See this, there are few fishes in the water and there is a shark that has to follow the mouse pointer. And look at this. Wow. So I hope you understand the shark has to eat all of the other fishes in underwater theme. So I hope you like the program. Now this program needs some of the sprites here. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to add 5 sprites. 4 are the small fishes and 1 is the shark, and there is some line of code that you have to follow. So I'm going to delete all of them first, and let's start from the scratch so you know what are we doing. Okay, so I have a clean script area, and first we have to add the sprites that I just showed you. In order to add the sprite, you have to go to choose a sprite button, and in the search bar you have to first search for a shark. Look at this one, shark. For shark, if you go to the costumes, I need only this costume B. So I will delete the first one and I will delete the this one. So I only need a costume where the shark has an open mouth. So it seems like that the shark has to eat the other fishes. Now we are done with our shark sprite. We have to go and choose other sprites. For this you have to write down fish. Okay, I'm only going to add one fish right now. The other fishes, I will be duplicating it once I will make a code for this one. Okay, so let's start this script area. For the shark, we have a very simple line of code. And let's quickly begin with the first block that we need. Always we have to go to events, and you have to use this one when green flag clicked. Then you have to go to control, use the forever loop, and inside the forever loop you need to tell that shark has to follow the mouse pointer. So wherever the mouse goes, the shark follows that. To do this, you have to go to motions, and there is a block called point towards mouse pointer. Keep it inside your forever loop so it will keep doing until you stop the program using this stop button. One more thing is, when it follows the mouse pointer, it has to move certain steps. For this I'm using move 10 step block, but 10 step is going to be too much. I will change this number to 4. I'm all set with my shark. Now I'm going to select the fish and let's do the programming for the fish. Fish also has a very simple line of code. Let's see. Okay, for this you have to use again the same block, this when green flag clicked block. So we will be finding out in events. The green flag clicked block is my first block. Then I have another block that I will be finding in looks, and this block is called show block. I'm using two blocks here, show and hide. First one is the show block that I will connect it with this green flag clicked block. Then you have to go to control and use a forever loop again. And inside that, you must use go to motion and find out the glide 1 second to random position so that your fishes will be gliding in the water, and instead of making it 1, make it 2, so it will be little slow. Then you have to go to control and use the if block so that the fish has to disappear once it touches the shark. So I am using if then block inside, and then there needs to be a condition. For that I will be using sensing block, and here is my condition: touching mouse pointer, keep it inside here in the if then block. And instead of mouse pointer, click the drop down and use shark 2. It means when the fish touches shark 2, then it has to hide. So go to looks, use the other block that I just told you, the hide block. And there is one more thing. I want a sound of biting at the time when the shark touches the fish. For that, you have to go to sounds, and I don't need this bubble sound and I don't need this ocean wave. I will go here and choose another sound from the list, and this is called a bite sound. Bite. I will go and write in the search bar bite. Then this one is added in my list. Go back to the code and you have to add this. Go to sounds and start sound bite. Keep it inside your if block. It means that when the fish is going to touch the shark, it has to hide. So it seems like that the shark has eaten the fish and it produces a sound bite. So that it will be like the shark has eaten the fish and then it produces a sound of bite. So this is all about the fish. Now what I have to do, I have to duplicate this. So just go to the fish, right click it, and there is a duplicate button that you have to click. I have two fishes now. I need one more, then duplicate it, then one more. So I'm using four fishes here and I have to change the costume of these fishes. So the first fish is an orange one. Go to the costume of it and delete the other costumes. So it is just an orange fish. Now select fish 2, go to the costume and you have to delete the orange one now and keep the blue one. So I will delete all of them except this blue one. So you can see that the fish has a different costume now. For fish 3, I'm going to delete orange, blue, and I will keep it this one. So it seems like there are different type of fishes in the water. For fish 4, you have to delete orange, blue, and this yellow one. So this comes fine. If you see that I have four different kind of fishes in the water and shark has to eat all of them. Okay, so that's it. Now let me quickly see the sound is all set. For fish 2, the bite sound is here. For fish 3, the bite sound is here. For fish 4, the bite sound is here. When you duplicate the fishes, the sounds are also being duplicated. So this is all about today's program. I will make a big screen and run the program again to see the output. Okay, you have to move the shark according to your pointer. Look at this. Here we go. So this is all about today's program. I hope you like it. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun videos on Scratch, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.